Okay, good afternoon. My name is Durani Salguero Diaz, and today I explain you two sounds of the International Phonetic Alphabet. These sounds are this and this. So, these sounds I choose because I didn't pronounce very good. Um, so, this the place of articulation of the sound is dental, and the place of articulation, sorry, and the manner of articulation is fricative. In this case, the tongue touch the gum in the gum down. There, there, and breathe. This sound is linis. And the second sound is this, think, and the three, think and three. This is the most difficult, but your sound is like this. In this case, you can exaggerate the outside the tongue. But when you understand the sound, you are not exaggerate. Think, three. So, but in this case, the sound is This sound is same of the, but this is dance. It's like for say dance, and this not. This is very different. Girl, dance, girl. So, this is Lenis, and this is Fortis. So, I had two strategies. I had two strategies for understand better these sounds. The first strategy was check the past class, where the teacher explain me very good the sounds, but me no understand very good, but a bit. So later I practice many times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I read, understand, and pronounce very good. Okay. No, very good. No, so. The sound, think. The other sound, there, breathe. So in the the second strategy was I learned the tongue twist. My tongue twist has the two sounds, D, this, the, and thoroughly. So I learned this tongue twist. So this is the sit zero, so sin, throw. Yes, I learned it. This is the sit zero, so nosing, throw. So This is the said Sarah snoozing thoroughly. Is this tongue twist was a very strategy, but it is a little difficult. But later of you practice, and learn it, you understand and pronounce very good the sound. So that's all. Thank you.